It took me exactly 30 seconds to find this Palantir credit spread with my scanner ZcoreAI, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. Let's run the scan to get the data. As you can see on the daily, we have currently a strong buy signal for Palantir. If we switch to the expert mode, we can see that the reason is that we are more than 4 standard deviation undervalued, which is an extremely strong and bullish signal. Now let's switch to the chart to confirm the setup. The first thing we can see on the 1 hour is that we have a possible W formation. The second thing I want you to look at is that we have this gap down there that was just recovered. And the last thing to notice is that we have this huge imbalance on the chart, which gives us a clear target between $151 and $155. Now that we have all set up, the next thing is to place the trade. I entered a put credit spread with the short strike at $122, which is approximately a 20 delta, which gives us around 80% win rate. The last thing is that I put in my long strike at $115, which is my protection leg. This is a very safe trade, which gives us a bit more than $100 of premium and gonna give us some positive theta as daily income. And if you want more setup like this, hit the subscribe button.